Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hello app. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Hello app. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. Then you will search about the application of Hello app and you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next.